Working at this house today, and one of the things I got to do is take down this dead tree. I was going to chop it down, but I'm going to try to pull it down. Maybe it'll come. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Now I got to chop the trunk down. Now I got to load it up. Then I get to have some fun and take the axe to this thing. And since I'm missing CrossFit today, this will be my workout. So it'll be good for me. Good fun. I wish it would have taken the whole thing down, but whatever. Got about 4 minutes left of video. Let's see what I can do. It's soft over on this side. I figured the axe would be more fun than a chainsaw. See. It ain't all soft. Slow. Oh yeah. Oh. Good stuff. Good stuff. I think I'm going to start doing some videos on what I do for a living. You know, I'm a general contractor and I do everything, a little bit of everything. And I think I'm going to try to do maybe some how-tos on what I do and different things, just mostly like home maintenance and things like that. Trying to do some how-tos on it coming up, so subscribe, join me on my next adventures, see what they're gonna be.